Fred Williams, Excel primed. What are we doing here? We're looking up specialty, your specialty, group, and years based on this list of data. Okay, we're going to do this. It's simple. It's just a VLOOKUP. What we're doing is VLOOKUP J4. We're going to look up by name. We got a name, first name, and a last name. So we're going to do a little concatenation. Our lookup is going to be, well, the first name and the last name. And we know we can do this easily by just concatenating J4 and J5. If you haven't done it in the past, and here's your introduction. We can put anything we want in this lookup value if it's relative. Well, J4 and J5 is our lookup, J4 and J5, based on what? Well, our specialty, which is our table array, B4 to B13. What are we looking up? Specialty. So all we're saying is find, in this case, John Rejo, and then give us whatever his specialty is, marketing. We're going to do the same thing with building and years with company, but you get the idea here. Or the concept, or the procedure is you can use this lookup, include wherever you want. Hit F9. You can see how easy this is to integrate. If you want, a common VLOOKUP error is when numbers and text do not match. In most cases, the lookup column, here's our lookup column. The lookup column of a list contains a numeric value that appears to be numbers, but are actually numbers stored as text, and that's critical here. When a real number is passed as the first argument to VLOOKUP, the formula returns NA, even though a match appears to exist. Mismatch, the numbers in column B are actually text, so the numeric lookup value is 3, which should match B5 and return marketing. You can enter a number as a text value by placing a single quote before the number. The best way to fix this is to verify that the lookup values in the list are numbers. If you don't have control over the list, you can change the VLOOKUP formula to force the lookup to match the type in the list. In the example, we convert the numeric lookup value to text by appending an empty cell. If you don't know when you'll have numbers and when you'll have text, you can handle both possibilities by doing this double VLOOKUP. We're not going to focus on that right now. What am I talking about? Years with company? Are we looking up numbers or are we looking up text? Here we have numbers. We don't have a problem because we're looking up name. There's no conflict here. Using the VLOOKUP function, you can retrieve information from the list where key values are numbers stored as text by concatenating an empty cell to the numeric lookup, thereby forcing it to be text. Here's the formula. VLOOKUP, specialty, where the name range is, we just discussed, Fred Williams, Excel Prime.